Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn about different types of 3D chamfer. We are taking a simple part for this lecture. Now we will go to the fillet command, and click on the drop-down. Select chamfer. There are three types of chamfer: angle distance, distance, and vertex. Let's select the first one. In the angle distance chamfer, you need to specify distance and angle. Select 20 mm distance and 45 degrees in angle. Select OK. Go to the Edit feature and change the angle to 60 degrees. See, the angle has changed. Let's change the dimension to 10 mm. Select OK. Now let's look at the next option, distance chamfer. Click on the drop-down menu, and choose chamfer. Here, there's an option for equal distance. But for now, let's keep this unchecked. I will enter 20 mm for one side, and 10 mm for the other one. Select this edge. If you select equal, the distance cut on body faces will be the same, similar to a 45-degree angle distance chamfer. Unselect equal distance. Select OK. Again, click on the drop-down menu, and choose chamfer. The last option is vertex. We use this one to chamfer the corners. In this one, we will enter distances for all three edges. I have entered 10, 20 and 30 mm for this. Select OK. See, this is how different types of chamfers look. Let's see another example. Click on the drop-down menu, and choose chamfer. Select distance chamfer. Enter 10 mm, and choose equal distance. Now, we will select any face on the object. Select OK. See, this is how we can chamfer all the four edges together. Let's chamfer another face. This time, we will select angle distance chamfer. 10 mm distance, and 45 degrees. Click on the face you wish to apply this on. This shows rebuild errors. Maybe the distance is large. Either change it, or let's delete this face selection. And select another face. OK. This is how you apply chamfer to a part in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.